Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started today, 9th October, 2:43 a.m. in the morning. London session is about to open. So this is the situation in gold. By the way, I'm making this video after quite a few days because busy in hurricane season and had a lot of problems earlier. And then now, today, as of today, tomorrow, we are expecting a huge historical storm coming and hitting the west coast of Florida. And it's not exactly a direct hit to Miami. It is going to be direct hit to Tampa, which is already battered with the Helene. So God save those people. But yes, the south of the hurricane usually has a lot of tornadoes and all of that. So that's what we're gonna have in people, the people of Miami, South Florida. So let's see what happens. So again, if my internet goes away, then I'll be gone. But as long as I'm still alive, I'll come back. All right, don't worry. Okay. So all right. So this is a gold monthly chart, and you can see this was the count, right? It's Elliott wave count. Gold historically all-time high, and there is no SNR level to deal with. The only thing we have is Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci numbers, and Elliott wave count. So this was the wave 3, wave 4. So I said, okay, this could be wave 5, wave 1, 2, and wave 5 has 5 waves, subwaves, right? 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4 sideway correction as a flat, and then wave 5. Now wave 5 actually is underway, right? Now, wave 5 will also have, remember the blue count, this wave 5, right? It's not finished yet. It is going on right now. But wave 5 also has subwaves. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of that, we have 1 and 2. Then this wave, excuse me, this wave is basically wave 3 going on, right? So we will go and on a smaller time frame and see what the heck is happening here. Is it finished? Is it going to go up a little more? If it's not finished, then how far is it going to go? All of that. So wave 1 and 2, remember these numbers, numerical numbers, right? So weekly chart shows these 1 and 2 here. This is wave 3, ABC 4. Now 1, 2, and then this wave 3 going on, which out of that, you can see clearly that we have this Roman blue count, 1, 2, 3, then ABC 4, and then wave 5. Now, this wave 5, if it is ending here, will end the wave 3, this black numeric number. So let's analyze that what is happening here in this small wave 5 after this wave 3. So Roman number, remember the wave 3 and wave 4. So now daily chart shows you that this is wave 3, this is wave 4, this is wave 5, right? So it is going on right now. So on a daily chart, all I can see is that this just looks like, wave 1 and then wave 2, right? Something like that. So let's go even on a smaller time frame and see on a 4-hour chart, for example. And here we are. Now you can see that wave here, the wave 4 is mentioned here, the Roman blue curve, right? Then we have wave 1, and then this A, B, C, even though this C is not below A, but I will count it as a running flat and count it as wave 2. First, I would say wave 1, but this is, wave 2 here ending, wave 1 and 2, and then 1, 2, 3. But now I think that this is wave 1 and then ABC 2. And now wave 3 of this black count is underway. Out of that, this wave 3 also have very clear small wave counts, subwaves, like wave 1, 2, and this is wave 3. ABC wave 4 is underway right now as I speak. So after this, around 38% or 50%, right? As long as it is above this high here, wave high of wave 1, it will be wave 4. And after that is finished, we're going to go for wave 5, this blue count, a Roman number, right? And then that will finish wave 3, this black count of this wave 1 and 2. Then it will be finished wave 3, followed by wave 4 to the previous area or previous territory of, in the territory of the previous wave 4, which will be this, it will come down there, right? ABC fashion. So that would be like wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will go up for wave 5. This black count will be finishing this wave 5 of this blue count, and that will eventually finish this wave 3 of this count, wave 1, 2, and 3. That's one scenario, right? This is very detailed scenario. But the second scenario is that this could be wave 3 ending here somehow. Let's say this is wave 4, and then this is wave 1, 2, and 3 ending. This is wave 4 going on, this wave 4, right? We'll finish here, and then this wave 5 is going to be there, and we will finish wave 3 somewhere here, then followed by wave 4. So that's kind of like same thing, but a little early, right? What I'm saying is that we are going down either for this wave 4 or for this wave 4. We are coming down right now. And then we have to go up again for either wave 5 for this one or wave 3 for this one, right? So down first a little bit and then up. Just be ready for that. So right now, we were going down, so you can see my short order there, right? If you know exactly what it is, then you can, from my Renko chart, entry charts. By the way, my 1,000-minute chart is also like this. You can see that this is a Roman number, wave 1, 2, and then this, I'm thinking the wave 3 usually is 1.618. And if you measure that, you can clearly see that wave 1, 2, and the expansion for that is this 1.618, and exactly that is hitting. That's why I think that this is wave 3, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5. Right? That would be this. So this was only wave 3, and then coming down for wave 4, and then we go for wave 5. That is what's happening right now. You can simply count here 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So this, after finishing this 4, we will go up for wave 5. Let's see where we end up with this wave 4. Maybe this high or a little bit more to this high, or let's see if I can pull the fib here. Wave 2, wave 3, and then wave 4. So we start from wave 2, end up wave 3, and we see the retracement so far, we exactly at 23% line, right? But the thing is that, no, I'm doing it wrong. Hold on. This is wave 1, 2, 3 starting from here. So wave 4 should be 38% of wave 3, not from wave 4, 1. Right? So wave 3 is starting from here. And you can see that we are touched 38%. We touched 38% exactly here. But it's keep coming down, right? So I'm going to take chances. Maybe it's going to come down a little bit more and then bounce, or maybe it's going to bounce from here. So if I see any signs, then I'm short here right now. So I'm going to close that and then go for long from there. On a 500, well, that smaller chart, half of the size of this one, you can see that this is what happened, right? So this is my short here, and then coming down here right now, right? So if I see that it's going to the upside, I'm going to close it and then wait for the opportunity to go long. But the bottom line is, this is with this chart is very important. I have not recorded the chart, but I will for my record. Like I said, that being very, very busy in this stupid hurricanes and, a lot of other things. And then I got sick in the middle and all that. So coming back, trying to come back right now, right? Let's see. Hopefully everything will be fine again. So 1, 2 black count, wave 3 underway. Out of that, 1, 2, 3, 4 is underway, and then after that we're gonna have wave 5 blue Roman count to finish this black Roman count, wave 3. Got it? And step by step, if you want all these charts and everything, and then you just simply go on my website and subscribe and be a part of my group, and then you get everything. Bottom line, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'm coming back and I will be making more videos about Bitcoin and this and that, and US dollar index and yen index, and different pairs, right? I just closed on my Telegram. I posted the trade GJ long yesterday. I closed for 90 pip. So yeah, so that's what's happening here, right? coming back and taking these trades little by little and slowly. But maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I would not be able to take any trade or anything because I'm going to have to put up the hurricane shutters all around the house with Omar obviously helping me. This hurricane, they are saying that this has exceeded all the calculation of the hurricane category 5. They are thinking about inventing or creating a category 6 now because of this hurricane. This hurricane is so powerful, so intense. Never had a hurricane before like that. So this is how bad it is. So let's see what happened. By the way, if you don't know, the name is Milton. You can go on the internet to see Hurricane Milton update, and you will see it. Dangerous, dangerous hurricane. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.